Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your AirPods to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip file. Yes, it's super easy and I'll walk you through the step by step. Let's get right into it. First, unlock your Z Flip 5 and swipe down from the top to open the control panel. Now press the hold the Bluetooth icon until you're taken to the Bluetooth settings page. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now grab your AirPods and open the lid of the case and open back to the case. You'll find a small button. Press and hold it for 5 seconds until you see the white light start blinking. That means your AirPods are pairing mode. Now look back at your Z Flip 5. Under the list of available devices, you should see your AirPods appear. And they don't show up right away. Tap the scan button to refresh the list. Once your AirPods appear, tap on the name and then hit pair. That is it. You're now connected and ready to go. Simple, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.